Hey health enthusiasts, welcome to day 16 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're diving into healthy snack ideas to fuel your day. Snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. Here are some nutritious options that are both delicious and energizing. First up, smoothies. Blend together your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach, and some almond milk for a quick, nutrient-packed snack. Next, try a yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola. It's high in protein and antioxidants, perfect for a mid-morning boost. Apple slices with peanut butter make a great combo. The apple provides fiber and vitamins while the peanut butter offers healthy fats and protein. Mixed nuts are another excellent option. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, and minerals. Just be mindful of portion sizes. For something savory, try veggie sticks with hummus. Carrots, celery, and bell peppers paired with hummus provide fiber and essential nutrients. Incorporating these healthy snacks into your day can help maintain your energy levels and keep you feeling satisfied between meals. Thanks for joining me on day 16. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll talk about creating a balanced workout routine. Snack healthy and stay energized.